In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, in Hostinger. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second checkpoint to your login so your account stays protected even if someone learns your password. It's a simple upgrade that dramatically improves security, and it takes just a minute to turn on. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account in hPanel as you normally would. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a secure connection, ideally a private network, since you'll be adjusting account security settings. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the dashboard and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you can access important personal and security options. Next, head into the security section of your account settings. This is the control center for how you protect your account. Inside security, find the area labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Hostinger presents two choices here: Application Authentication, which is recommended, and Email Authentication. Application Authentication uses an authenticator app on your phone to generate time-based codes that change every 30 seconds. It's fast, works offline, and is generally the most resilient against phishing and SIM swap risks. If you travel often, switch devices, or want the strongest everyday protection, this is a great option. When you choose Application Authentication and click Enable, Hostinger will guide you through the on-screen steps to connect your account with your chosen app and confirm it's working. Keep that authenticator app updated and secured with a device lock for best results. Email Authentication sends a verification code to your inbox when you log in. It's straightforward and familiar, and it doesn't require installing anything. If you prefer keeping things simple and always have reliable access to your email, this can be a convenient choice. Select Email Authentication and click Enable. Then follow the prompts from Hostinger to complete the setup. For consistent access, make sure you can always reach your email and that your mailbox has strong protection of its own. After you enable your preferred method, 2FA becomes part of your regular sign-in experience. You'll enter your password first, then confirm with your chosen second step. This extra layer helps block unauthorized access and gives you immediate awareness if someone tries to get in. That's it. Quick, effective, and well worth the effort. If you ever need to adjust your preference, return to security and update your 2FA method. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind with your secured Hostinger account.